Has anyone seen an ugly looking root like this? Well, we're going to turn this ugly looking root from this to this. So stick around! Tara na po! Okay, so I have the yucca root here. I already split them into two, so it will be easier for us to remove the skin. So now we're going to remove the skin. So slice the root like that, and then we're just gonna dig. All the way to that pink color. If you see that pink color, that needs to come off. Okay, hold on. When it's nice and fresh, this is not bad to remove the skin. See that pink? Alright, now that we peel all the skin, we're now going to shred it. Just use a small hole so it will be nice and smooth when you bake them. So keep grating, keep shredding, and then after we shred all these baby up, we're going to drain it. We're going to remove a little bit of the water. So when you cook it, it's not going to taste a little bitter. So this is how it's going to look like. See? Alright, now we're all shredded all the yucca. Now we're just going to remove the water out of the yucca. Just a little bit. And just press it down. Now we're ready to mix our ingredients. We're gonna put the yucca, the shredded yucca, our evaporated milk, our coconut milk, our condensed milk, eggs, our butter, vanilla, and sugar. Now we're just going to mix them. Now I already brushed my Pyrex dish with melted butter. And we're going to start pouring this mixture. Oops. And we'll bake it for 350 degrees, 45 to 60 minutes. Okay, after 45 minutes, we're gonna take this out. Okay. So don't shut your oven because we're gonna put it back. We have to put the topping on top. Now, we're going to make topping for our cassava cake. So we're gonna pour in condensed milk. Or coconut milk. Egg yolk. And we're going to just mix them well. Okay, we're gonna put this on top. Then we're gonna put some cheese. Okay, so we're going to put this back for about 20 minutes for the same degree, 350. Here you go. We're all done. And we're going to try it. Okay, let's try it. Very easy, right? You gotta make it. It's so good. It's so soft. Ta-ta for now.